It's that time again. Wes here with No Limits Hammer Harder. We're going to discuss the box jump. It is a fantastic, extremely powerful movement. We're going to build up force production in our hips, which is important for running and biking. It's also going to work on hip extension, which is important on running. And also when we land on the box, it's going to teach us to decelerate, which will translate well when we're running on saving those knees. So the setup's going to be feet hip width apart. That's where we generate the power. Not the squat position that's more stable. Power position, hip width. We're going to load the hips back like we're doing a deadlift, so I feel my hamstrings and glutes load. We can get a little bit softer knees. I'm going to swing the arms back for momentum, explode up, and when I land, a really wise trainer once told me he wanted me to land like a ninja. So today we're going to land like a ninja, or very soft, quietly. So I'm set up, feet are hip width apart, load, explode, land it quietly. Then you always stand up to a glute contraction, and here's the key, you're going to step down to save those Achilles. So let's demo it one more time. Feet hip width apart, load, explode, land quietly, stand up, and step down. The next progression, once you have that nailed, we're going to take the arms out of it a little bit. We're going to put our hands in prayer mode. Everything else stays the same. Loading those hips, loading those hamstrings, loading those glutes. Hips back, explode, land quietly, stand up, step down. Once you have that mastered, third progression. Hands on the shoulders, completely eliminating the arms. Very difficult here. Hopefully I make it. Load, explode, land quietly, stand up, step down. Those are the three progressions for the box jump. Start with a low box, work yourself up to a high box. Until next time, cheers, rubber side down. Well, that's a wrap for this segment. Hopefully you found the video extremely enjoyable. As always, we appreciate it if you give us a big thumbs up, share it in the wonderful world of social media, and please leave a comment so we know what you, the viewer, want to hear, what you like, what you dislike. For more and everything about No Limits Hammer Harder, simply go to www.nolimitshammerharder.com. As always, cheers and rubber side down.